I should probably quadruple, pintuple, whatever iteration check our string placement. We should double check placement of those guys, and that's spot on, with this sitting as far forward as it can on the base, and setting the point of saddle just maybe a nanometer inside of scale length. Puts us right where I thought it was. Now, okay, I think about how we fucked up bridge placement on the original lap dancer with the trim system twice. How in the hell could we fuck it up twice? Now the fix for that was to plug the holes, move them back a little bit, try again. We can't do that here. The tolerances on hardware movement is so much tighter here. We can't fuck that up. We can't. It's not an option. Placement has to be perfect. Well, alright, I say that. Of course, we've got room for adjustment. Well, height-wise, we have very little room for adjustment. We got to be as close to perfect as we can precisely be. For depth. Now, location. I'm super confident on the strings, but where exactly to put those recesses, because we're putting those recesses, once we route those recesses, there's no moving. Okay, I think I'm going to do one more test route. Make sure that I'm happy with that depth, and then we'll go from there. So, just like we did yesterday, the process we pieced together. I had to build a process just how to set this up. And when it comes time to execute, we'll just do it and it'll be over with. Okay. Well, alright. What we were doing, taking the depth that we want to be, looking at this. Okay, that's basically the same answer I came up with last time. We want those sunk just below. Alright, well, the top of the recess to be just below the top of that outer lip. So, something like that. I don't know. We've gone over it 1,000 times, and we've done multiple tests, and dude, once we cut into this, I mean, it's done. We are married to this hardware forever. That beautiful top. Is absolutely married to this hardware forever. Once we do this, it's forever. I'm terrified. Oh man. Okay. There's just nothing left to do but pull the trigger. And I'm terrified. Think of a reason for me not to. Please, somebody, stop me. Remember this moment if you know, a week down the road we're like, God damn it, we needed to... Shit. Okay. The plan will be go do the other E, and then we'll shorten our depth ever so slightly and do the next two in, and then a tiny bit more and the middle two. That's the plan. Well, one of the things about making that final jump to, you know what, do it. Well, now there's nothing to be scared of. We've already committed, so it's either fucked or it's not. And I do like that depth. I mean, it's just a little below where we would want action to be. I think we planned that pretty perfect. I really do. So, forging on. Okay, next two in, and we will tighten up the tighten up the depth slightly. Now, tiniest little bit less deep. We might have, could have gone a little more shallow. Alright. Okay. Should have shallowed about the same amount as we did last time. Damn it! I want that one slightly deeper than that. Alright, damn it. Getting that template perfectly back in place is not going to be fun or easy. Is that really exactly where we want to be? I could have done that smarter. Yeah, that's nowhere near where we want to be. Son of a bitch. That has to be it. It has to be. Okay. Looks a little more like I would expect. It'll work. It is low enough. Terrifying. Some of these don't even really need the hot dog recess. I think we will do a slight one just for aesthetic purposes. Because these guys on the outsides do need a little, not a whole lot, but a little. The second one in needs a tiny amount. So, not a lot, just a little. Just a little. More than we need, but and probably a little deeper than we needed, but yeah, whatever. And with that, we're done placing the damn bridge. You know, until we get to assembly and find out we fucked up. I think we did good. I think. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.